Yo guys, what up? How you guys doing? It's your boy Happy Boys. Hope you guys are being profitable with my strategies that I've been posting. How you guys doing? I just wanna thank you guys for a new month. We just hit 100 subscribers in this new month. That's a new level up, guys. So much thank you those have been commenting on my channel, those that have been posting comments and subscribers, and also my new subscribers. So much thank you guys. You guys are really doing good. So I promise you guys that on the next video I have to give you a new upgrade, a new version of this strategy that I post on my previous video. This is a very new one, and also promise that I'll really open a group for our community where we share ideas, trade together, share other things. So I got to open a Telegram group for you guys very soon, and I have to activate it and open. Once I open it, I'll share the link, and also the link will be down below in the next video. So guys, today I want to show you guys an upgrade of the Super ProStrategy, the heavy one. You can't see it too in YouTube, I must say. So setting up for the new version, here, you have to set your Bollinger Band. This is already my moving average. So already I do trade. I'm a swing trader, and also I do scalp. So sometimes I do close up my bars. Once I want to scalp, I'll open it like this and close. So I have to set my Bollinger Band. You set it, this is how you set it. Period 20, shift 0, and click done. This is how you see it. So on this Bollinger Band, this video, I don't want to make it really snappy. It will be a little bit long, so that I will make sure that you guys understand all about this pro strategy. Sorry. So on the Bollinger Band, once the spikes come, or once the spikes hit our Bollinger Band, this crash 1000, the opposite of 1000. Once the spikes hits our Bollinger Band and give a slight weeks more, or gives a weak drawdown out of the Bollinger Band, we consider to wait for our setups to form, and we have to create a rules for it. So I have to open up for more indicators. So I have to show you our CCI. You set it at normal, the way at is in the previous video. Sorry, this is how you see it. Next, you set your awesome oscillator. Click done. Next thing we are adding here is our average directional movement index. We are adding it. Screenshot and set yours up. Click done. So why I add this average directional movement index is because I have to show you guys as I'm uploading those indicators. Once this indicator, once this cross, once our setup, because every spice comes our age, you have to know your setup and your age. This CCI is our age. Once it spikes and touch our 10 levels, you have to have that in mind, that you have to consider it that it has touched our 10 levels, and you have to wait for it to cross the 50 line. Once it crosses the 50 line, and you consider our average directional movement index to cross also at those zones. These are conditions. So for confirmation, I have to show you my confirmation. when I enter trades. So this is it. My stochastic is a very super indicator. This is how you set it. 533, your period 5, your D period 3, and your slowing 3. Yes, this is how you set it, like this. Boom. So for this, why I added the stochastic on this with a Bollinger Band is to show us that this is a perfect strategy. Once these conditions are met, so before you enter, you must download a time. So I have to show you my time. This is the time I use. So I have to put it here. So once our age form, once it spikes, and your condition is that in each every spikes, it must cross this Bollinger Band. Once it crosses this Bollinger Band, so you consider it to touch our 0 level or our 10 level. Once it touch our 10 level, you then wait unit our CCI touches our 50 line. Once it touches or crosses it, then you consider your average directional movement index to cross also at the same time. This is the strategy. This is how it works. You can collect minimum of 5 pips. If you can collect minimum of 5 pips, if you can collect minimum of 5 pips, you can collect one. Take one with your lot size. If you want 5 lot size, you want to put your 5 lot size, you put your 5 lot size and take just one. Get off from the market. It will be profitable like that if you are afraid of spikes, because in every strategy, in forex trading, no strategy is 100%. I must assure you that no strategy is 100%. So once these conditions are met for confirmation for entry, you will see your stochastic withdraw down. Your stochastic will withdraw down immediately, as fast as if it didn't draw down once the awesome second candle shows, because at those process you will see that your awesome oscillator, the first blue candle will appear, then we are waiting for the second blue candle, and once the second blue candle drops, and our stochastic will also drop down immediately. If it didn't drop down once our second blue also oscillator histogram drop, we are not taking the trade. That's our conditions. We are not taking the trade. You can go and test it out. Once the first candle, this is red, here is red, and once the first blue candle comes out, we are waiting for the second candle for entry. After all these conditions that have been made, once the stochastic draws down, immediately the second blue candle pops out, we enter immediately and get off as early as possible of minimum 5 pips. That's the way this market works. That's the way it works. It's very super good. It's very super okay. You can make a lot of money from here. This is my pro strategy. I am sharing it free. I'm sharing it free from you guys, from new subscribers all over the world. So what I'm assuring you, being here at this channel, is that you got to get super good content, super good strategies that will help to build up your career. And again, in this trade, you don't need to get afraid of anything. Being afraid in trade causes you emotional pains, emotional distraction, and other things. Be confident. Every setup is an age. Every setup that you see is an age, and the ages are randomly. So you have to be confident If the first trade fails, know that the second trade, neither it fails or it wins. That's how forex trade is. Don't allow your lost trade to make you not to take your current going on each setup that appears. Stay focused, guys. Make sure you share this channel, subscribe to this channel, share and comment. And for the new subscribers, I'm assuring you that you guys will learn a lot of things, and I'm showing that once I open the Telegram groups, that we got to trade together for swing traders and scalpers in any way you guys want it. In any way you guys want it. You can also learn ebooks. I have a lot of ebooks I can give away in the groups. You guys can learn candlestick, chart patterns, trading, some ebooks, a lot of ebooks for you guys in the groups. Once we are in. So peace up, guys. Have a nice day, a nice morning, good evening, wherever you are. It's your boy, Happy Boys, Intelligent Big Boys. Peace.